Hi everyone and welcome to Perimaskitchen. I am Selena and today I'm going to show you one of my life hacks. It's a lifesaver in fact, because when I have no time and I'm really tired and I want something quick and easy, this is my go-to. The weather hasn't been playing its part and the kids really wanted to have a braai, a barbecue, so I had to make a plan. And we love our sausages on a braai together with other meats. But today I decided to go with just lamb chops and some yummy sides. It's always a winner. If you choose to make a lamb masala marinade from scratch, please have a look at my masala lamb chops recipe video. I go through it there step by step. My pre-marinated chops that I'm using today is perfect for a braai, but you can also very easily grill it at home. I will go through it with you so you can use this as a guideline and you too can have perfectly grilled lamb chops. I've thawed my pre-marinated lamb chops and I usually have a couple of packs in my freezer for days like these. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees and I've taken out the tray. I've just drizzled a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil today. So my tray is already hot and my oven is already hot. This is my lamb chops I'm using. It's an A-grade lamb. The marinade itself is so flavorsome, but it also assists in tenderizing your lamb. I'm grilling 1 kg of lamb chops. The grilling tray is hot, so be careful with your fingers. When you're placing it, just dab a little into the oil and ensure that they are all spread evenly. If you don't want to add any oil to the base, you don't have to. While my lamb chops are in the oven, I'm going to make a delicious homemade potato salad. You can check out the recipe video for the potato salad as well. It's a beautiful accompaniment to the lamb chops. I will also add some baked beans to the side. I'll braise some quickly and you can serve with a salad or a crusty roll. Ensure you add all that awesome marinade onto your lamb. Whatever marinade is left in the platter, baste it onto your chops. My oven has already been preheated. I will leave the lamb chops inside for approximately 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The lamb chops itself is ready within 25 minutes and you can decide according to your preference whether you want to leave it in or not. My last 5 minutes is generally to get a caramelized outside. I do like it crispy outside and succulent inside. If you like your chops crispy on both sides, you can turn it midway, but leave it in for an extra 5 minutes just to compensate for the heat that has escaped the oven. I choose not to turn it. I like it soft on one side and crispy on the other. So here it is after about 30 minutes in total. I've switched off my oven and I want my lamb to rest. You can either let it rest in the oven, but leave your oven door slightly ajar so it doesn't dry out, or you can take it out and let it rest on the side for 5 minutes before you serve. The next time you don't have braai weather and you really feel like having some lekker lamb chops, here's an alternative. You can have it grilled in the oven perfectly, and with that slight caramelization, it feels like the authentic chops from the braai. Add some sausages or even some chicken skewers. Pair it up with a delicious homemade potato salad and some raw or braised baked bean chutney, and you're good to go. Don't forget to check out my homemade potato salad. It's divine. I promise you it won't let you down. Thanks for watching and thanks for joining me in Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and I hope to see you again soon. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. And if you try this delicious marinated lamb chops from B.Nagiah's, please let me know.